Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you how you can restore a folder or a file which you recently deleted. So guys, it's very simple. I just deleted a folder which was right here. So now I will restore it. So just to do that, you just have to right click anywhere and then you can see a undo delete. You just have to tap on that, then you can see that folder come back. So that is possible only in that case if you did not empty your recycle bin. So guys, that's it for today's video by Easy Fix Tech Tips. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.